Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 3 Prepare Wedding. So, if you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So, we move to the main project step, and total step is 31. So, step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Excel chapter 3 prepare wedding access grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file location where you are storing your file. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel chapter 3 prepare wedding. Question number 1 is complete and we can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is to help the SP managers design a workbook to become more efficient planning for a wedding events, you will edit the wedding workbook on the gift baskets worksheet in the cell F9 and use the auto sum to calculate the total item in the basket 1. Copy the formula in cell F9 through cell F11. On the gift basket worksheets, go to the gift basket worksheets and next is in a cell F11, use the auto sum to calculate the total item in a basket 1 and copy the formula cell F9 through cell F11. The cell is F9, cell is F9 and press enter. The cell is F9 and use the auto sum to calculate the total item in a basket 1 and copy the formula in cell F9 through F11. Go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the sum. So apply the auto sum and press enter. So the result is 3. And copy the formula cell F9 through F11. Copy the formula F9 to F11. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is to save yourself time you many want to consider using the absolute referencing so you can copy the formula to others cell within the workbook while keeping our cell reference constants in a cell B15 type is equal to B40 minus B40 multiply E3 and copy the formula through cell E15. So copy the formula type is equal to and B40 minus B40 multiplied by E3. Copy the formula and go to the cell B15, the cell B15 and paste the formula bar and press enter. So the result is 7.19 and next is copy the formula through cell E15. So copy the formula in cell E15. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in a certain worksheets mix the referencing is the most efficient way to save yourself time when creating a formula you wish to copy other cell within the worksheets in which either the row or the column reference must stay constants. In the cell B18, type is equal to B9 multiplied by B15. Copy the formula in cell B18 through cell B20 and copy the cell range B80 to B20 through cell the range E80 to E20. So copy the formula B9 multiplied by B15 in the cell B18. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is B18 and paste the formula. Type is equal to B9 multiplied by B15 and press enter. So the result is 7.19. And next is copy the formula in the cell B18 through B20. So copy the formula B82 B20, sorry, B82 B20. And next is copy the cell range B80 to B20 through the range E80 to E20. Copy the formula E80 to E20. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is you found an error in the worksheet since the formula have been created to perform the calculation. The worksheet changes to a data will automatically be reflected throughout the worksheet in the cell E40. Change the prices of soothing bath salts to 9.99 in the cell E14. So select the cell is E14 and change the prices of soothing bath is salt to the 9.99. Copy the value and paste the values E14 and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is an array formula can return the multiply result and split those results into the neighboring cells on the commission worksheet in the cell B21. Type is equal to A21 and ratio A24 multiply B20 and E20. Go to the commission worksheets. And in the cell B21 type is equal to A21 ratio A24 and multiply by B20 to E20 in cell B21. So select the cell is B in a B21. So select the cell B21 and press enter. So question number 6 is complete and we can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is the use of name range enabled developers to quickly develop formula that make sense. It also increase the readability of a formula to the other individual who are using the same workbook. On the gift basket worksheets, create a name range basket subtotal to for the cell ranges C23 to C25. On the gift basket worksheets, go to the gift baskets worksheets and next is create a name range to the basket subtotal for the range cell C23 to C25. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the ranges C23 to C25 and copy the basket subtotal and paste the name box is basket subtotal and press enter. So question number 7 is complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is on the gift basket worksheet, click the name box arrow and then click the basket requested. Notice that the range selected cell in a B24 to B26. This is an incorrect range. Added the basket requested name range so that the refer to cell B23 to B25. So copy the range B23 to B25, paste the range. So select the ranges B23 to B25 and added the basket requested name range so that the refer is to the B23 to B25. Go to the formula tabs and go to the defined groups, click the name managers. So added the name manager is basket requested its requests, click the edits and name range so that it refer to the B23 to B25, B23 to B25 and then click OK and click the close. So question number 8 is complete and we can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, in the cell F24, use the sum function to add up all the value in the basket subtotal name range. Use the range name in the formula. So select the cell is F24 and press enter. And next is use the sum to add the value in the basket subtotal name range. Use the name range is the formula. So select the ranges F24, type is equal to and use the sum function. The sum function add the value basket subtotal name range. Basket subtotal name range. Sorry. Basket subtotal name and press enter. Sorry, type is equal to and type the sum function and press enter. So the result is 4032.23. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignments and exam.